again, everyone. So today we still have to talk about something important, and still it is our school purposes. So I hope you still enjoy and watch my video. Hello again, everyone. So I am here again to give you a problem and also provide some examples for it and discuss it. So let's go and start. So our problem for today is that create a program that use string concatenation. So here is the sample code of the problem that I did give. This Python program shows how to join two or more strings together using the operator of plus, also called a string concatenation. So the program asked the user to type their first name and last name. Kanin diri dapita o. Muna. So in string concatenation using plus, the sign plus is used here to join string together. The space inside quotes is added to put a space between the first and last name. Without it, the result would look like kana bitong magduol imo ang first name and last name nga walay space. So lain bi kay plantawon, and then but with the space it becomes kuan like kanang sakto na siya, na siya spacing, so okay na siya basahon. So now full name stores the value of kung unsay mo ibutang ra enter. Example, enter na ko ang akong pangalan. So ang naano dira is with spacing is Erica space Hilot. Na. So, in displaying the result, the new line adds a blank like before the output or for neatness. The program this print is your full name. So, kanang full name, bitaw nimo. Ito na tanan, wala na spacing. Ito na bitang tanan. Example, ang akong name is Erica Hilot. So, mauna na ang imong i-print. Then, again, the plus operator combines the text your full name is and the variable full name. Then another example is kaning Python greeting is siya katubitang na quote nga hello, then plus full name underscores, then katong plus welcome to Python, then print dayon, open and close is gusulod mo dito ang greeting. So, this line creates a greeting message using concatenation. It joins three parts. So, first is katong hello, and then the second is katong full name, katong akong example sa akong name. And then, the next one is welcome to Python. When combined, it becomes hello, Erica Hilot. Welcome to Python. So, if you will try to run the code that I did give you sa Python, this will be the outcome or the output. So guys, lantawan lang siya og tarong para walay error mga mahitabo nag-run nimo sa code nga akong gihatag. And then maybe this will be the end of our discussion, and I hope I did give you some knowledge, and also thank you for listening, and goodbye.